Describe,
Yeah.
Mulu. You know what you need to do?
Primi echipe Nipo Delco Provence. This is Nipo Delco Provence. Good morning. Good morning.
Pindah weh.
Mantap.
Mulu Victor. Mulu. Mulu.
You attack on the last kilometers around?
Yes, yeah, the last 1 kilometer.
And it was a plan, your attack?
Yeah, for our plan is plan is for Bina, for sprint, or for me try to attack for last kilometer, and I try. I don't know. I don't believe it's amazing for me.
William second just after you, it makes the victory again better.
Hey Michael, how are you?
I'm good, and you? I like Rwanda because it's nice. All of climb for me is perfect. Thanks all Rwanda people and our teammate, all stuff.
Aha, ariko umusore Heli Michael Mulu akaba ari umukinnyi ukomoka mu gihugu cya Ethiopia ati natangiye
It's nice.
Thomas, what? No, I have jersey or no? Because I want to put my number.
Mulu. Tomorrow you have a jersey. Yes, you have the jersey, Binyam, but the blue jersey. Best younger rider.
bose bitewe Tour du Rwanda ni ekipe ya Nipo Delco Provence niyo ngiye ku mwanya wa mbere ifite mu mayosho imbere y'abandi muri irushanwa.
La prima recuperazione.
Sì, sì, prima recuperazione.
1, 2, 3.
Amerika Sore sudah sudah juga nama bertamu kayaknya di grupnya di bawah.
Last chance for win the stage. I think you deserve, all of you guys you deserve to win because during the week every day you ride hard, so it would be nice if you can finish your world by win.
Today I won the 8th stage of Tour of Rwanda. One of the more hardest stages that I did. I'm really happy, all the team worked very good. In the last 20 kilometers we did a big selection, and in the last climb Muru tried the first part of the climb. And everybody tried to follow him. And when the peloton arrived to Muru, I tried again, so I won like this.
State loro due, e il bus rimane là.
I'm so happy because the team do really good job.
Thank you for him, He attacked in the first part, and everybody pushed, everybody arrived like this.
He win. I'm really happy.